Introducing ETS-RD05, a highly effective UHF Tabletop Desktop Reader from EcoTrack Systems. Operating on 865 to 928 MHz frequency, it delivers a superior read range of up to 50 centimeters with fast and reliable performance. With Bluetooth connectivity, it seamlessly supports Android, iOS, and Windows platforms, allowing wireless data transfer to PCs, laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Equipped with anti-collision algorithms and high read-write capability, the ETS-RD05 is ideal for processing multiple tags quickly and accurately. Its compact, lightweight design and plug-and-play USB Type-C interface make it user-friendly and easy to install on any desk. Built on Impinj E310 and E510 chip modules with IP65 rated protection, it withstands challenging environments while maintaining stable performance. Ideal for library automation, retail management, inventory tracking, supply chain, and manufacturing units. ETS-RD05, the compact, powerful, and reliable UHF desktop solution from EcoTrack Systems.